Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Taliban suspends polio vaccination campaigns. The United Nations announced that the Taliban has suspended all polio vaccination campaigns in Afghanistan. United Nations agencies were informed of the suspension just days before the scheduled September immunization campaign. No official reason for the suspension was provided. Over the past 3 years, the number of polio cases in Afghanistan has increased. The virus has spread to provinces that had previously been free of polio for a long time. Afghanistan and Pakistan remain the only two countries where the transmission of polio has not been eradicated. About polio or poliomyelitis is a highly infectious viral disease primarily affecting children under 5 years of age. It spreads mainly through person-to-person contact via the fecal-oral route or less commonly through contaminated water or food. The virus multiplies in the intestines and can invade the nervous system, leading to paralysis. Global Polio Eradication Initiative. In 1988, the World Health Assembly launched the Global Polio Eradication Initiative to eradicate polio worldwide. Key partners in the initiative include national governments, WHO, Rotary International, CDC, UNICEF, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance. Since 1988, wild poliovirus cases have decreased by over 99% from 350,000 in more than 125 endemic countries to 6 cases in 2021. Of the 3 wild poliovirus strains, type 1, 2 and 3, type 2 was eradicated in 1999 and type 3 was eradicated in 2020. Now it's time for the practice question. When was the Global Polio Eradication Initiative launched? 1990, 1988, 1986, 1984. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.